Let me show you the DSR item comparative statements inside Costimator. So once you're done with the justification, all you have to do is head over to this justification tab, move over to the open existing justification area, click to open whichever justification we are going to be talking about. Inside this, all you have to do is head over to the DSR items button, click on it. This will show you all the items inside your estimate which are directly linked with it. It will provide you the DSR rates and the market rates and the difference between the market rates and the DSR rates. So in essence, the analysis of rates is giving the breakdown of all these items with respect to the analysis, and this is giving you the overview. So if I were to, for example, head over to 2.2.1 inside the analysis of rates, you can find that the rates are 152.05 with respect to the new market rates which we have provided. And this is the exact figure of 152.05 which you are seeing inside the DSR items. So right here you can see this is the market rate of the said DSR item. So this in essence is a summary of all the analysis of rates for each of the DSR items which is directly inside the estimate. So if I just keep scrolling down, all the sub-AR items, that is items directly linked with the main items, and finally the sub-AR items, which are the items internally linked with the sub-AR items. Once again, you are able to find the color coding so that you can easily assess which of them are the market rates, as well as the differences between the market rate and the DSR. The red ones show that the market rates are lesser than the DSR rates. The green ones show the opposite, that the market rates are greater than the DSR rates. Once you're happy with everything, you can download this entire file in an Excel. So if I just click on download in Excel, I'll just open the file. And once again, you can see the same things which we are viewing inside the Costimator app, we are able to see inside the Excel also, all the items inside the estimate with the code description unit, the DSR rates, the market rates, as well as the difference. Again, everything has been pre-formatted, including the currency symbols. Once again, these are just the symbols, or rather the formatting. As you can see, the values are exactly what they are supposed to be. So you do not have to do anything. You can directly apply any formulas which you want to on it. We also find the differences, which are again color coded. Again, you can find the sub-AR items as well as the sub-AR items. So that's all about the DSR comparative statements inside Costimator.